we did outside rounds, we kicked out a deer there.
Oh, that's cool. You got to see it.
I don't see it now.
Nope, it ran back in the corn. But you did see it. That's awesome.
But now it's full, so we see it kill more egg.
Right.
Because it's full.
Because it's full. Yep.
Yeah.
So now we got to wait a little bit,
But
right?
it still looks like there's a lot of room.
It does, doesn't it?
Yeah, but we don't want to keep going. It says on that side it looks like it's really full.
Right. Yep.
It looks like there's still a little bit of room, but I don't know where that deer went.
I know.
It might be wanting us that way.
Probably, right? You went in this corn, then you think it'll go across that opening and then into the other part of the field?
I say, maybe.
Maybe. We think.
Yeah.
Did you know it's almost deer hunting opener?
Really?
Are them roads good enough to load while you're driving, or you want to load stopped, or what?
I'm loading some.
I mean, I keep going straight, I keep losing or gaining. I think I don't know if I have one up there that's too far out. Or no, I think no, it's perfect. Yep, your seatbelt on, right? Right.
Remember what we were doing?
Watching?
3, 2, 1.
3, 2, 1. You
3,
think?
2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
Huh?
It's supposed to rain tomorrow.
It's supposed to rain tonight a little bit and tomorrow, yeah.
So do I start mining?
I'm not sure if we'll be combining tomorrow. Do you think?
No, tonight.
Oh, tonight, up until it rains, we'll be combining, right?
No, when it's raining.
You want me to combine when it's raining?
Yes.
You just don't want to go home, do ya? Nothing says harvest like cosmic brownies, right, buddy? I'm just gonna eat it. Auntie wants some.
No chocolate chips. Look, here you go.
Oh, a little bit closer. Yeah. Oh, you ate all the chocolate chips. Oh, here comes Grandpa.
Yeah, you can eat it.
Oh, you're gonna let me eat it now. Here, you say it. 3, 2, 1.
Feed one, feed on my focus.
Here it goes. Here it goes. Yeah. One half is for me then, right? You're gonna eat it all. Oh man.
hear this one more time.
Auntie almost got so much in one box. Auntie! Auntie almost got so much in one box.
I got the mic back. What'd you say?
Swing around, take these 12 to my left. Up. Then bring the combine back around because we're full.
We're falling.
Okay. The boxes are full. We gotta go back to the farm and unload everything now.
Oh,
Don't you wanna go unload?
yeah! You know what?
What?
We should make the same stuff to the phone. So when shoeboxes are empty, we can unload.
You think?
Yeah, but will we sound like this?
Yep, we're gonna combine this little section here.
Yeah, since we have to go back.
You're
We
right.
don't want to send all the way back.
Right.
It should fix it. You are to the send. I will see if you miss any.
You're gonna see if I miss any?
Yeah.
Okay.
Then I only should work on this one and not that one.
Okay.
And then we have to ship this one in the office.
Great.
Because the boxes are full.
Right. Well, let's see if we have to top them off. We can unload a little bit in the box if we have to top it off. But otherwise,
But Auntie, you should have bought 10 boxes.
I should have brought 10 boxes today.
They're like buy 10.
Oh,
So-
buy 10 boxes?
Yes, no sense. Semis. Upper bottom semis.
You want me to buy 10 upper bottom semis?
Yes, and then we should be the water throwing in them.
You're right.
And the old shapes are and then another old shape so full.
That would be pretty nice, wouldn't it?
Yeah, I'm riding with you. What is that song?
This is a tile inlet. We had to go around that. There's a couple. There's like 5 in this field, I think. Yup.
Oh.
So we're gonna go unload
That's
at the
really
farm pretty
good.
soon. I'm driving back.
Well, look at the back one. Look at the front one.
So you know what? We could probably just
Oh, yeah.
There's still a little bit of room in the front.
There's still a little bit of room, isn't there?
Yes, in the front one, but the back one's full.
Right, we could, yeah.
Oh, and that one,
Or
the one box is not full. Don't see no sun.
Oh, yeah.
See?
We can do that. I'll fill this box, but yeah, I don't know if I have quite enough anyway. So yeah, if you just wanna zip around that piece behind you.
Wait, what?
Look at the back one is over the one.
Oh, yeah.
Auntie, watch this.
Oh!
Stop! Where's the stop button?
Where's the stop button?
Where's the stop button? It says what? Beep, 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 beep. Where's the stop button? Where's the stop? Stop!
We got room, buddy. See it?
Stop! Why did the beeping noise go off? Stop! Stop! Stop!
We got a little room, don't we?
Stop! Stop! Stop!
Okay, pretty soon I'll stop. Grandpa's almost here. I can see him in the mirror.
Oh yeah. Beep, beep, beep.
Okay,
What
here we
button?
go.
What button? Unload it. Stop working like that. You want? Keep on moving. Look how empty we are. Martin, look how
had just unloaded the grain cart, so now it is pretty empty, isn't it?
Is this the 50 time you use the same soap?
The 1,000 time we used the grain cart?
Yeah.
Oh, I bet it's getting close to that number.
They have beep, but we still have one.
We do. Should we look?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we really gotta watch the camera, right?
We better keep it on just like this. I'm watching it.
Okay.
We still have one more.
Good. I just gotta watch the corn. You watch the camera, okay? How we doing?
So,
We still got room?
yep, we still have one room on this side. I think we're gonna make it.
Think we're gonna make it?
Yep, we are. So that I don't see none. We made it.
Oh my goodness! We actually made it, buddy!
This is watch the room way.
Nope, it's not running anymore. I come in there too? Woo! That's good! Woohoo!
That one's still black. When that one flips, then it's full.
Did you hear him, Mom? When that one flips, it's full. Yeah. We gotta go back to the field, right?
No, we don't.
No, we don't. The night is young. Like you.
Go ahead.
today, the setup looked very similar to this because we're still out here. It's like 9 o'clock at night. Night is young, remind you. Rain coming possibly 11. So we're just gonna work up until Mother Nature decides, you know, maybe you should head home. But no, actually the wet holding bin is getting full. So we have 2 light clickers on it to know. And it's gonna determine how fast that can flow through the dryer and how much we can get done in between there. So that's kind of our quitting time. Same setup, got the box. Oh, I'm blocking the boxes and then the grain cart. As per usual, Dad's taking those 2 boxes back to the farm, and I'm about to take the other tractor with the other box to the farm as well to unload. Y'all, I think that means it's quitting time.